Welcome to 12800 7th Street in Bowie, Maryland. Come on in, let's take a look.
Welcome to the primary suite. You're going to be amazed. Again, that white oak floors throughout the house. And we are walking to one of my favorite places of the home. This is a beautiful primary ensuite bathroom. We have porcelain tile throughout with these deep white gray veins. Who doesn't appreciate a his and her shower? Every time we're getting ready in the morning, everybody can get ready together, right? That's very great. And then this standalone tub for a night of relaxation. Get your bath bombs ready. And then we have two walk-in closets. By the space of this is feeling like a his closet. You know, it's a little small, but let me show you the secondary closet. I already hear my wife like in the back of the mind, oh, I can appreciate this closet. But let's check it out ourselves. We have the fireplace, right? Greeted by the fireplace, electric fireplace in the primary suite as well. And then yes, this is the second closet. This is a hers. I can see Amanda. I can appreciate this type of closet. Don't tell I made fun of her, but what a beautiful primary suite, right? There's still a lot to check out in the house, so we're not gonna stop here. Let's take a look.
And welcome to kitchen number 1. There are 2 kitchens in this home. So this is your main level kitchen. We also have an opportunity for a chef's kitchen in the basement, or you can also double that as a wet bar, but it's literally fully loaded. Let's get into it. This is Taj Mahal quartzite. Ooh, so gorgeous, my goodness. And I'm just gonna say it. Can I say it? Millet. Millet appliances throughout. We do have a KitchenAid microwave there, but that is still KitchenAid high-end. And then also 2 dishwashers, gorgeous 4-door fridge, and a gorgeous wall oven. Of course, it's Millet. And then, this is what I really love. Whew, my goodness. This is your wet bar anchored with a wine cabinet and rack with a temperature controlled wine fridge as well. Absolutely beautiful. This is a 13-foot island. It is massive. You can put about 7, 8 chairs there, absolutely. And there's so much space. This is also the opportunity for full interaction on one space. When we talk about open concept, this is exactly that. Look how much space is here. You stay there. Look how much space is here. It's so much space. You can drop your sofas, you can drop all your different things, and of course, this is your electric fireplace as well. But we are not done yet. We still gotta get to your basement. Let's go ahead and check out that basement. Ooh, the chef's kitchen.
Very well done. I mean, you have an in-law suite here. because multi-generational living is a big thing, right? So they give you the opportunity to be able to have separate living. And they've done a masterful job here.
I love it.
Quartz, stainless steel, very well done.
I love it. And the basement is below grade.
Right.
It's underground. It is underground, yeah, and you can totally, it's not even that deep. You can totally walk on up and you're on the ground level. That's really, really cool.
So you still get a good amount of natural light that comes into space.
Yeah. But I'm gonna let you go ahead and check it out because me just hanging out and talking about it is not gonna do it justice. All right, gorgeous.
Yeah. Wow. 12800 7th Street, Bowie.
Maryland.
Yes, Maryland.
Absolutely gorgeous.
I enjoyed this tour. Go ahead, love.
It's beautiful. This house is priced at $950,000. And it is 5 bedrooms. It is 6 bathrooms. There is a gorgeous half bath on the main level, but most of these rooms are anchored with bathrooms. Absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. Now, how do they find out about this house? One, you can go in the description box below. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
And also, this house has been designed by BM Construction and Contracting. That is the builder.
Nice,
absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, what else is there to say?
Don't forget, share this. If you know somebody who's looking for a home in Bowie, share this video with them. Give us a like, subscribe, so you know when we're coming out with new videos every week.
Yes, twice a week. Thursdays.
And Sundays.
And Sundays.
Yeah.
Pending maybe a Monday. Just being honest with you guys. I have a baby now, so sometimes we don't hit it on Sunday, but we definitely hit it on that Monday, okay? All right, guys. Well, it's been fantastic. My name is Amanda at
My name
Depo.
is AD at Sorry, I cut you off, love. My name is AD at Depo.
And we're taking you from house
to home.
Bye, guys.
Bye.